Today, we will be doing a Fluxx review and demo walkthrough. Fluxx is an artificial intelligence software, which uses a gaming loophole to siphon free traffic and generates passive affiliate commissions. Fluxx works by creating interactive gaming apps, which incentivizes users to share prizes on the internet. Before we get started with the Fluxx review, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the notification bell, so you are notified when we upload new videos. Right, let's get started with the Fluxx review and demo walkthrough.
Hi everyone, welcome to this demo of Fluxx, and the way that it works is through giveaway contests. I'm going to show you how to set them up, but as an overview, what we do is we decide on the name, the prize, that's the prize here, we just add the text, and then we add the time that's left for the contest to finish. And then if anyone wants to enter, they just add their name and email, join the contest, and then we get those leads. And it's also interconnected to our autoresponder. So with regards to how to set these up, just before I forget, what we can also do is then boost the traffic. So we've got connection here to 66 different social media platforms, and then we generate a link which is sent to all of these. So this is how we generate traffic. So let's have a look at the new contest again. So we give the campaign a name, we give the brand, we create a brand, and to create a brand you can go to here and then just give it a name, just set it up on here with a domain and so on. So getting back to the campaign, you choose your name, brand name, and then the content. So the image, which was this, the headline, this, description, which is here, and then call to action button, which is here. And then you can log in from a whole bunch of social media platforms, Google, Facebook, Twitter. And then the actions is you can either like someone's Facebook page or you can subscribe. So when people do that, they get the ability to join the contest, and that's the Facebook like URL, the YouTube channel to like, Instagram profile, and Pinterest profile. So what's good about this is the fact that it grows your following. And then we can connect to an autoresponder, and let me just show you how to do that. So you go to my profile, and then you go to the autoresponders here. You can see that you can add either an SMTP or a MailChimp. And just going to get back to new contest here. And then we've got the duration, which you can see here. The rewards and the winners. So entries per referral, you can decide how many entries you get per referral and the number of winners. Terms and conditions, which is you can add to here, and people are going to see that when they join. And a tracking script if you want to retarget the people who have joined the contest. Now what you can also do is generate an email template. So we've got a welcome email. This is something that people get. We can, when people join, they get, or when they join the contest, they get a welcome email, which can have an affiliate link or anything else that you want in there. You can decide on how many points to award people, and when they earn the points, you can send them a customized email. You can send them an email that tells them that the contest ended, and you can tell them that they've won. So all of these are templates that we can create. And going back to my profile, so you can see here that's pretty straightforward. Their email, password, time zones, can generate a team for yourself, brand, which we've been through before, MailChimp, Google Analytics to check on the traffic stats, Bitly, so we can integrate it with Bitly to generate the links, and SMTP. Thank you very much for watching and happy profiting.
Thank you for watching this Fluxx review and demo walkthrough. To find out more about Fluxx, click the link in the description below.